One of the Indian secrets to beautiful, long, lustrous, shiny, strong hair is right here, you guys. Take about a third cup of water, nice lukewarm water, and what we're gonna do is just soak these seeds overnight. That's it. We're gonna wait 24 hours and then we'll come back and I'll show you what I do next. So this is after 24 hours. You can see what it looks like. I had to add a little more water last night. You're going to take some out, about 2 tablespoons with a slotted spoon or strainer. Put it in a small bowl, and you're going to add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, just like that. And then you're going to take a teaspoon of olive oil or coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil here, and 1 tablespoon of honey. And you're going to mix this around, get it all incorporated. This is amazing for hair growth. Fenugreek seeds are amazing, and you can get them on Amazon, or you can go to a local store. Some stores have it. You're going to incorporate it just like this. Get it really, really mixed in there, and then I'm going to put in a blender. So I got my blender bottle. Everything's mixed in. I'm going to blend it, and I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's nice and creamy. You can save those other seeds for future hair masks. You're going to do this twice a week. Put it on your hair. You're going to wash with a mild shampoo. Okay, so now you can extract the water, the fenugreek water from the seeds, just like that. You can save the seeds, like I said, for a future hair mask. And with the water, you can put it in a small spray bottle, and you can spray your hair before shampooing in between the hair masks. You could do it twice, even 3 times a week. Just spray it and it will be so good. Let me know if any of you ever use fenugreek or you know anything about fenugreek, and let me know your experiences. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big old thumbs up, and I will see you in my next hair growth video. I love you all. Bye, guys.